Hi! While it certainly is a challenge to find kitchen appliances that are worthy of your hard-earned money, it isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source to point you in the direction of the brands you can trust. Let this channel be that source. In preparing this video countdown of the top models, the team researched literally dozens of tools, ranking each one based on its performance, its affordability, and the reliability of its manufacturer, and also read real-life consumers' opinions about each product. Let's see which are the best models in this year.
Now it's easier than ever to enjoy fresh, cold-brewed coffee with Takeya's cold brew coffee maker. With cold brewing, only the naturally delicious coffee flavors are extracted, leaving behind the bitter oils and fatty acids, creating a perfectly balanced, smooth extraction of concentrated coffee. It's as simple as add coffee, brew, and serve hot or iced. And you can make, serve, and store all in one. Let's get started by adding coffee to our premium mesh infuser. The fine mesh material expertly filters the coffee grounds to extract rich, delicious flavors and ensures a smooth concentrate free of gritty sediment particles. Depending on your strength, add 14 to 16 tablespoons of your favorite medium or dark roast coarsely ground coffee to the infuser. Twist the infuser into the lid. Now add 4 cups of cold filtered water to the Takeya pitcher. Then lower the infuser into the water, seal the lid airtight, and store the pitcher in the refrigerator overnight or up to 36 hours. Occasionally open and swirl the infuser during brewing. Once the coffee is finished brewing, remove the infuser. Now you're ready to make a delicious cup of coffee with the fresh concentrate. Ready to serve it hot? Mix 1 part coffee concentrate with 2 parts boiling water and stir in cream and sweetener if desired. Like it iced? Simply pour coffee concentrate and water or milk over ice and stir in the sweetener of your choice. The cold brew coffee concentrate can be kept fresh for up to 2 weeks when stored in the fridge in our airtight pitcher. And that's it. Make, serve, and store cold brew coffee all in one.
Hi, my name's Matt. I'm the production manager over here at Toddy. Today I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to brew a batch of coffee using the Toddy cold brew system home mod. Alright, first what we're going to do is we're going to grab our rubber stopper and insert it into the bottom of the brewing container. We don't want to push too hard because then we run a risk of cracking it. Now that the rubber stopper is in the bottom of our brewing container, let's grab a glass and some water, and we'll stick our felt filter in the bottom of the glass. Some water to it. We just want to make sure it's damp on both sides. Let's stick that right in the bottom of our brewing container. Alright, so what we've done here at Toddy is we've created our new paper filter. What this does is it increases the amount of concentrate you can yield. It also extends the life of your felt filter and makes cleanup a breeze. We'll insert that into our brewing container. Right, now that our paper filter is all situated in our brewing container, let's grab our coffee. Got 12 ounces of, again, freshly roasted, coarse ground coffee. I'm going to just add all 12 ounces right into my filter bag. So our coffee's good to go. Let's go ahead and grab some water. We can add all 7 cups. Seven cups of water are in. Now we're allowed to break the golden toddy rule and stir our coffee. Get our coffee nice and stirred up, making sure all the grounds are evenly saturated. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to take the top of our filter here. We're just going to go ahead and twist it shut. We will allow that to brew for our 12 to 24 hours. We'll come back and check in on that in a little bit. Alright, here we are again, our magical 12 to 24 hours later. We're going to take our brewing container and allow it to drain into our decanter. Take a couple minutes to drain down a little bit. Take this whole guy and toss it right into the trash. And we've got an airtight cap here for the top of our brewing container. This allows us to store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks without any flavor changes. This is a coffee concentrate, which can be diluted 1 part coffee to about 3 parts water, milk, whatever you like to drink your coffee with. For more information and recipe guides, check out toddycafe.com. Stay tuned for more videos from me and my fellow coworkers over here at Toddy. Thanks for watching.